The Georgia law firm is taking the lead in a lawsuit that could set a precedent in the sale of so-called ghost guns.
Now, this involves the accidental shooting of a 14-year-old boy in Valdosta 2 years ago. That child suffered permanent injuries after being shot in the head. The shooting happened while kids were playing with a gun in a home on Melrose Drive. Police say one of the kids had ordered the parts for that gun online and put it together using videos that were posted. Now, the gun did not have a serial number, making it a ghost gun that cannot be tracked. WALB investigator Jamie Worsley has been digging into this case. And Jamie, who will be sued by the law firms?
Well, Jim and Carla, this suit is not against the other teen involved or even the state or federal government. This suit is against the companies that were, quote, negligent, according to the three firms that filed this case in the Middle District of Georgia. Now, neither online companies are run in Georgia, but are required to follow federal and state laws when it comes to the sale of gun parts online. When I asked attorney Melvin Hewitt how the companies were able to get around requiring a background check, which could have alerted them that this customer was a juvenile, here's what he told me.
Look, it's not hard. It doesn't matter who you are or how old you are or what your mental state is or what your criminal background is. You can just do this. They may interpret the law differently than we do. We don't know. I mean, at this point, we just don't know. We just know what happened, what the damages were in this particular case, and it's all in the lawsuit, and what laws are applicable. Only the court is going to be able to come down and say, this is applicable, this is not applicable, or something else may be applicable.
Well, Hewitt says although this case seeks damages and compensation for one particular victim, it's also based on principle. Now, since this incident, federal gun laws surrounding ghost guns have tightened. The frame and receiver rule now requires serial numbers on gun parts and background checks for customers. Georgia law does not allow gun sales to minors. Now, I'll continue to follow this case through the courts and keep you updated. You can also see a full copy of that complaint on our website, WALB.com. For WALB Investigates, I'm Jamie Worsley.